have, of course, my test machine here, which is getting ready to do its thing. I am starting into machines I have not looked at in God knows how long. Here's one. Of course, it is not documented at all, except in here there is a piece of paper that says works. That is encouraging. It has the horrid cardboard foil cover, and it is missing two chips. Alright, so we'll put the test board there, and before doing anything terribly dramatic, we'll look inside and see that we need a SID chip. So we'll grab one and insert it thusly. And we need a video chip. So I don't like this thing. Oh, slight tweak on pins. Let me just double check. Alright, it looks okay. Fuse just appears okay. Not much in sockets in this machine, but it did say, according to my paperwork, that it works. I must have scavenged a couple of chips out of it. Let's see what really happens. We see a flash. Look at that. Up she comes. Well, that's a good sign. We'll put in the dead test. See what comes up. It's always nice to find a machine that works. I am suspecting I needed the chips for something else, who knows when. I mean, I started to mark things fairly religiously in 2015. And this, well, it had this. Well, that was helpful because it actually works. Works. December 2019. Needed SID plus thick. They were missing. So it wasn't that they were bad, they were missing. It probably means they were good. So, well, I think I like this. I'm going to stab the keyboard connector. And then, as I'm doing this, I realize the machine is still on. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that. Alright. Alright. There's not much to say about a machine that works. Now, it does not have a keyboard. I'm not going to team one up with it at this moment. I'm just going to be thankful that it works. I'm going to document it. And I'm going to go put it on the pile of 64s that work. Yes, I actually have a pile of 64s that work. I do. Imagine that. Well, that was quick and dirty. This machine, I should go to that website where you can register serial numbers and go through things. This is a P01787844. So it's not, this is in the millions. He, I think, meant Pennsylvania. Maybe. I'd have to look it up. But is this the original case? I don't know. It's funny, I do see, as I look here, I bet you this is where the injection stuff gets injected. And that's why they put this over there. But they don't put that over there now, so you can see the ugliness. Oh well. It's a 64 and it works. So life is good. Thank you for coming. Come again. I'll be here. Bye for now.